Hey guys, so today I teamed up with Sally Beauty to bring you a look that's great for the summer and all these products you can get from their store online. So first I'm going to start out by applying the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Dry Defense Shampoo. And this shampoo made my hair feel clean but not stripped. The shampoo also adds a lot of moisture back into your hair. Even though it's sulfate free, you can see how easily it sudsed up in my hair, which lets you know that it's working. Next, I applied the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength Hair Mask. This is great for dry and damaged hair. I like how thick the consistency was, and it definitely left my hair feeling soft and hydrated. It also allowed me to be able to detangle my hair before deep conditioning. I like to start off by finger detangling my hair before using a wide tooth comb. And I used a wide tooth comb by Tool Structure, which is great for detangling in the shower. The long teeth make it great for thick and longer hair. I always start off by detangling at the ends of my hair and working my way up to the roots. After letting the deep conditioner sit on my hair for about 15 minutes, I then cleansed my hair, rinsed out the deep conditioner, and towel dried it so that I could style on damp hair. I used the Perfect Hold no metal hair ties to section my hair. I think it's best to style on damp hair when using Curlformers to cut down on the dry time. First, I applied Carol's Daughter Style and Hold Foam. This gave my hair a soft hold while leaving it frizz-free. Once you have the Curlformer on the rod, you want to place your hair into the opening with the opening facing up. So once you have your hair secure into the rod opening, you're going to want to push the Curlformer towards your roots, and with one hand, hold it secure at the roots while simultaneously pulling the rod through the Curlformer. And this will just slide right through your hair and the Curlformer will spring back into place. It's that simple. Next, I'm going to apply the soft hood to my head. And this is great for styles that usually have to set overnight. It's super fast and easy to multitask in. I attached the Hot Shot Tools blow dryer to the soft hood. And you want to make sure when you're using the soft hood to always use a low heat. You want to make sure your hair is completely dry before taking down the Curlformers to minimize frizz. I set under the soft hood for about an hour before removing the Curlformers. And removing the Curlformers is even easier than putting them in. So you just want to stretch out the Curlformer, pinch it at the roots to open it up, and it'll slide right out. Next, I applied Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Moisture and Shine Hair Sheen to my curls. And also to my hands. The shea butter and jojoba oil left my hair feeling silky smooth. And the final steps are to separate your hair to give you the volume you want, while using a wide tooth comb to lift at the roots to create more volume. And these are my results. I hope you guys like this simple summer hair routine as much as I did. And if you want to achieve this style, make sure you check out Sally Beauty for all the items used in this video. Thanks for watching!